Hello students, welcome back. So let us continue with the ledger. So today we are going to see the illustration number 2. So we are going to prepare ledger for an opening entry. So before moving on to the ledger, let us see what is an opening entry. So opening entry, in case of existing business, an opening entry is made at the beginning of the accounting period. So in case of existing business, already existing, it's not a new business, it is already existing. So in such case, you have to bring the previous year's balances. So the accounts not closed for the previous year are brought forward. What are those? The assets, liabilities and capital. These three will be brought forward. So the previous year's closing balance will be the opening balance for the next financial year or the accounting year. So how to write an opening entry? Assets account. So you have to list out each and every asset individually. For example, plant and machinery account debtor, cash account debtor, land and building account debtor, like that you have to list each and every asset individually, right? And then to liabilities, again list all the liabilities individually. To capital account. So if you want to calculate the capital, you will be using the accounting equation. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. So you will make a list of all the assets. Find out the total of assets. Similarly, list out all the liabilities. Find the total of liabilities. Assets minus liabilities will give you the capital. So your entry will be assets account debtor to liabilities account to capital account. So balances of assets and liabilities brought forward. So this is the journal entry. So this is the journal entry called as the opening entry. So in the examination point of view, you can expect questions like this. Write an opening entry. They'll give you some assets, some liabilities. You have to find out the capital using the accounting equation and then write the entry. Marks will be given only for the entry and not for the calculation. I'm making this point very clear. So they'll give you few assets and liabilities and they may ask you to write the opening entry. So in such cases, you have to find out the capital that is hidden there. So you have to use the accounting equation. Capital is equal to asset minus liabilities. Find the total of assets, then deduct the total of liabilities. You'll be getting the capital. And then the most important part is that you have to write the opening entry, because in the question they have asked you to write the opening entry. Is that clear? They didn't ask you to calculate the capital. They have asked you to write an opening entry, but if you want to complete that opening entry, so you have to write even the capital there. Is that clear? So this is called as an opening entry. In case of existing business, an opening entry is made at the beginning of the accounting period. So the accounts which are not closed in the previous year are brought forward. What are those? Assets, liabilities and capital. So you are bringing those assets, liabilities and capital to the next accounting year. So this is called as an opening entry. Now let us look into illustration number 2 given in your textbook. So now let us look into illustration number 2. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the book of joy from the following opening entry. Here in this case they have already given you the entry. So just look into that. So cash account debtor 45,000. Stock account debtor 50,000, Sohan account debtor 35,000, furniture account debtor 50,000. So all these on the debit indicates the list of assets. Cash is an asset, stock is an asset, Sohan is our debtor, right? Is an asset, furniture is an asset. So to Ram account, Ram may be our creditor or supplier. Then to Joy's capital, Joy is a proprietor, so Joy's capital. Able to understand? This case, they have clearly given you the entry itself. You need not write anything. But they have asked us to prepare necessary ledger accounts. So in the previous video, I told you, after preparing the journal entry, you have to make a list of accounts to be opened. Only after making the list of accounts, you have to open those accounts and then start posting the journal entries into the ledger. Now in this case, so what are those accounts to be opened? Cash account, stock account, Sohan account, furniture account, Ram account, Joy's capital. So these are the accounts to be opened. See, just have a look. So you have cash account, you have stock account, you have Sohan account, then you have furniture account, you have Ram account, you have Joy's capital account. Right? So for all the debit things, your opening balance will be on the debit side. So you will be, for example, first one, cash account. Cash is an asset. You are bringing this cash from the previous year to the next year, to the current year, right? So on 1st of Jan 2017, you are bringing the cash balance. So what is that balance of cash? 45,000. So you have to balance brought down 45,000. Then stock account. Similarly, stock is an asset. So to balance brought down 50,000. Then Sohan account. To balance brought down 35,000. Then furniture account. So to balance brought down 50,000. Ram account. Ram is a liability. Ram is our creditor. So here, to Ram is on the credit side, right? So the brought down balance will be on the credit side. By balance brought down. For Ram it is by balance brought down. Then similarly, Joy's capital account. So capital credit. So your opening balance will be on the credit side. By balance brought down. This brought down, B/D is called as brought down. Able to understand? This is how we post the opening entry into the ledger. So let us move on to the third exercise problem in your book. In the old book it is the fifth problem. Now in the new book it is third problem. Right? The following balances appeared in the books of Vinod on Jan 1st 2018. Assets, they have listed out the assets. Cash 40,000, stock 50,000, amount due from Ram. Ram is our customer. So we have made a credit sale to Ram. Ram has to make the payment. He didn't make the payment yet. So the amount is due from Ram. So it is 20,000. Then machinery 40,000. So these are the sets of assets. Now let us move on to the liabilities. Amount due to Vijay. Vijay is our creditor. So we have purchased goods from Vijay on credit. So we didn't make the payment yet. So amount due to Vijay. So Vijay is our creditor. So creditor comes under liabilities, 10,000. Now pass the opening journal entry and post them to Vinod's capital account. I told you already, in the illustration they have given the entry and asked us to post it in the ledger. Now in this case, they have asked us to pass the opening journal entry and then post them to Vinod's capital account. So they didn't ask the rest of the accounts, but they have asked only Vinod's capital. Clear? Then if they ask you to post them into ledger, then you have to list out all the accounts. So the first part, you have to write the opening journal entry. I didn't write the format, just date, then particulars. You have the LF column, debit amount, credit amount. As I told you, you have to list out all the assets on the debit. So cash is an asset. Cash account debtor 40,000. Stock account debtor 50,000. RAM account debtor 20,000. Machinery account debtor 40,000. Just add all these things together. 40,000 plus 50,000, 90,000. 90,000 plus 20,000, 1,10,000. 1,10,000 plus 40,000, you have 1,50,000 here. Whereas for Vijay, they have given only 10,000. So you know the assets. Total of assets 1,50,000. You know the liabilities 10,000. So what is capital? A minus L. So you get 1,40,000 as your capital. Capital, assets minus liabilities 1,40,000. That is the 40,000 written here. Right? To Vijay account 10,000. To Vinod's capital account 1,40,000. So what is the narration? Assets and liabilities brought forward. So our first part is over. They have asked us to give an opening journal entry. And then they have asked us to post it to Vinod's capital account. Here only one ledger they have asked. In case they ask, if they didn't mention Vinod's capital, they ask you to write opening entry and then post them to ledger. In that case, you have to list out all the ledger. See, you have cash, then stock, RAM, machinery, Vijay, Vinod. So like that you have to list out. But for this, they've asked only Vinod's capital. So Vinod capital falls on the credit side. So what you have to do? You have to write the date. So what is the date? 1/1/2018. By balance brought down 1,40,000. You able to understand? In case if they didn't ask you specifically, you have to do for each and every account. So cash is an asset. So how will you do? So you have to write the date 1/1/2018 to balance brought down. So you'll be writing 40,000 here on the debit side. Similarly for stock 1/1/2018 to balance brought down, you will write 50,000. Then for RAM, again debit to balance brought down, so you will be writing 20,000. Then machinery, similarly 1/1/2018 for machinery to balance, all are debit items, so the brought down balance will be on the debit side. 40,000. So Vijay 1/1/2018 credit now. So you will have by balance brought down 10,000. For your reference only, I am explaining the other accounts. Okay, but in this question they have asked only Vinod's capital. So if you do Vinod's capital alone, it's enough. Is that clear? So next problem, exercise number 4. So prepare furniture account from the following transactions. 2016, 1st of Jan, furniture in hand 2000. So this is the brought down balance for furniture. So furniture is an asset. So it has a debit balance. So the brought down balance will be shown on the debit side. To balance brought down. Then 1st of Jan, purchase furniture for cash 4000. 30th, sold furniture for 400. Now, before moving on to the ledger, they've asked us to prepare furniture account. So, you are opening only furniture account. See, on the debit side, date particulars JF amount. On the credit side, date particulars JF amount. So, as I told you, the first thing, first furniture in hand 2000. So, let us imagine it is an existing business. So, you are bringing forward the previous years to this year. So your opening balance, this is an opening balance, to balance brought down. So, you will be writing 2000. Then, purchase furniture for cash. So, what is going to be the entry? This furniture is an asset, right? Furniture account debtor to cash account. So, this is going to be the entry. So, you are opening furniture. So, when you are posting this entry, you have to leave furniture. What is remaining? To cash. So, to cash has to be written on the debit side. Then, sold furniture. So, when you are making a sale, furniture is going out, cash is coming in. So, cash account debtor to furniture account. So, you have to close furniture. What is remaining? Cash account. So, you have to write by cash. So, now let me do the furniture account. First one, as I told you, you are going to bring down the balance. 1/1/2016 to balance brought down. What is the amount? 2000. Okay, right. Then purchase furniture for cash. As I told you, you are posting it in furniture account. So what is remaining? To cash. So 1/1/2016 to cash. What is the amount? 4000. Then 30th 31/2016. You are making a sale. Cash is coming in. Furniture is going out. You are selling your asset. Furniture is an asset here. You are selling the furniture. Furniture is going out. Cash is coming in. So, buy cash. What is the amount? Just 400 rupees. So, this side, if you see, the total is 6000. But here, how much do you have? Only 400. So, what is remaining? If you want to make both sides 6000, you need 5600, right? That is our closing balance. By balance carry down. This is the balancing figure. Able to understand how we got this 5600? So on the last day of the month, 31st, January has 31 days, right? 31st of January 2016, by balance carry down 5600. Let me explain you once again how we got this 5600. On the debit side we have 6000. On the credit side we had only 400. If you want to make both sides equal, we need 5600. I'll put like this: 6000 minus 400. Okay, that's how we are getting this 5600. So now this closing balance will be the opening balance for the next month. So what is the next month? February, right? 1/2/2016 to balance brought down. This amount will be brought down 5,600. So this 5,600 will come here. Able to understand, children? Try to work out few exercise problems on your own. In case of any doubts, you can post it in the comment section.